Right, so what have we learned so far? Whoa, let's quickly try to do this, yeah. Copper 2 plus iron is blue. Iron 2 plus iron and iron 3 plus iron. Green, brown. Right, we've got a flame test. You've got from the periodic table lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, copper. So remember, you can ride your limo. You can ride your limo or save the earth. So we said it's going to be red, yellow, lilac, orange, red. We said blue, green. Right. We've got the test for hydrogen. The test for hydrogen is place a lit splint near test tube and you get a squeaky pop. Oxygen. Place a glowing splint near test tube and it relights, turns back into a flame. Chlorine turns damp litmus paper white, or it bleaches it. Ammonia turns damp red litmus paper blue. So that's showing that it's alkali. One more, CO2. Carbon dioxide, bubble gas through lime water, it turns colorless. Turns, oh my god, did I say colorless? Did I say, my mind's on alkanes and alkenes, right? It turns cloudy, milky, or cloudy, whichever word you want to use. I think that's it. Right. Right, there's 3 main acids, and then I'm going to add 2 more for the higher. So you've got I was doing this today, nitric acid, HNO3 2. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. Hydrochloric acid HCl. Now we've got 2 more. Right. This is only, well, it's useful to know this one anyway. What we're going to do is we're going to learn, this is only for higher. So it's phosphoric acid, yes, H3PO4, and you've got ethanoic, go for one, right, ethanoic acid, CH3 COOH tajweed, yeah. We won't discuss this, it's just there for the higher, so don't worry about that. What else did we discuss? Come on, use your brain. Okay. This is called the atomic number for chemists. You'll also hear it being called the proton number, but for chemistry it's that. And this is called the relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is protons plus neutrons. This here is simply protons. And in any, so listen carefully, in any atom, the number of protons equals the number of electrons. So, right, okay. So remember, group 1 is called alkali metals. Group 2 called alkaline earth metals. Group 7 halogens. And last but not least, group 8 or group 0. I like to call it group 8. Some people call it group 0. It's called noble gases. What else have we done so far? Okay. What about this one where we said you've got magnesium chloride. So this is what you do. You say magnesium is a 2 plus and the chlorine is a -1. Because they're not the same, you cross them over. So our compound will be Mg1. We don't need to write that. Yeah. Mg and then Cl, and this 2 has gone down here. So we've got MgCl2. Don't want to go into that any further. That's how you figure out what a compound is. Right, there was something else. I always struggle with the common ions and the charges, so I remember it as 1 never hide to chocolate surprise. So that in my head tells me N is nitrate, the nitrate ion, which is NO3, and then because it's a 1 here, it's -1. H is for hydroxide, is OH minus. Right, now we're on for 2. Chocolate is carbonate. You won't come across this a lot here lower down in school, so you're going to have to probably learn this. CO3, 2 minus. Why is it 2 minus? Because you've got a 2 here. And surprise is the sulfate ion is SO4, 2 minus. Right, okay, that's it. That's a good summary so far.